So we could actually compress his voice just to fit in the track a little bit more. Listen one time.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness.
This is a big key thing. So if you want anything to be at the front of a mix, like in your face, loud, you gotta control the dynamics. Because if you have something that's loud and up front in the mix, but you're not controlling the dynamics, there's gonna be moments, for example, when that vocal like does something louder. There's gonna be moments when it's quieter, but it's not really controlled, and you have it super loud. So you're just setting yourself up for like problems, because you're allowing something to be the most loudest thing in your mix, but you're not really controlling it, you're not taming it. So his voice is obviously like one of the loudest things probably at this moment in the track, therefore we need to really control the dynamics. We have an SSL on here that's doing some compression, but we could actually compress his vocal just a little bit more to really even like make it even louder in the mix without making anything harsh or nothing, but just controlling it. So what I would do on this track is maybe like use probably a 76. This is a really good compressor for hip hop vocals.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy.
So I'm gonna just set this up, and then if y'all wanna ask me something afterwards, then just let me know.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just react to the conscious ways of the world, so I don't want to interact. I'd rather just find peace. I'd rather just be me. I'd rather just keep a smile and let my soul fly free. I'd rather just find peace. I'd rather just be me. I'd rather just and let my live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just react to the conscious ways of the world, so I don't want to interact. I'd rather just find peace. I'd rather just be me.
What that did basically is just allow the voice to be more even dynamically, so that we can keep it louder in the mix. So let's listen to it in the mix now.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side.
You hear that difference?
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just react to the conscious ways of the world, so I don't want to interact. I'd rather just find peace. I'd rather just be me. I'd rather just keep a smile and let my soul fly free. I'd rather just find peace. I'd rather just be me. I'd rather just and let my soul fly.
Matching posts by the heart.
Yeah, so I think JC's vocal's cool for now. Hey, I hope you guys have been finding this video helpful and useful. I have a free resource, link in description below. It's called 6 Mix Finalizers. It's a mini course that I've designed to help producers, artists, upcoming engineers just like yourself finish your mixes faster. And I really wish someone would have shared this resource with me in the beginning of my mixing journey. So if you want to go check that out, link is in the description below. Let's get back to the video.